Welcome to Hindu Editorial Dictation. Heading is a tool for thought. 100 word per minute. Ready? We start. A committee of experts, well regarded mathematicians, and infectious disease experts appointed by the Department of Science and Technology to use mathematical modeling and forecast the course of the pandemic has brought good tidings. By their estimate, India passed its COVID 19 peak in September, and the decline in the overall caseload being observed for nearly a month now is to continue. Active cases about 7.5 lakh now are expected to drop below 50,000 by December, and by February the pandemic is likely to extinguish itself with only minimal, not zero, infections. Full stop. While it is reasonable to assume that the 7 member committee has been scrupulous, the COVID is that this is still a forecast based on mathematical modeling. There are some strong assumptions the decline will continue only if there are no major mutations during winter, protective antibodies are durable, and current restrictions are maintained. There would be no significant gains from a strict lockdown beyond the district level, and current containment measures would suffice except if there are local outbreaks that threaten to overwhelm healthcare facilities there. Their calculation also showed a peak by July latest, with anything from 6 to 15 times the existing infections had there been no lockdown, or if it had been delayed to April. The purpose of pandemic modeling is to generate a probabilistic overview of the future, and mathematical modeling has become a popular creative exercise, with several models and forecasts being made available on preprint servers and pending peer review. The latest model is expected to be published in the Indian Journal of Medical Research this week, but it appears to be a quotidian exercise. The data sets it has released on are publicly available, and the modeling employs a category of models called SEIR that estimates within a population those susceptible, exposed, infected, and recovered. It is extremely dependent on the quality of data that is used as an input, and relies as much on simplifying assumptions that sacrifice complexity for comprehension, but there is nothing to suggest for from what is known about the exercise that it is more likely to be true than similar estimates from scores of models the world over that subscribe to a certain degree of rigor. Experts associated with the pandemic have reiterated many times that mathematical modeling ought not to be taken literally. The latest assessment to should then be used not to critique or justify past decisions but dwell more on the future. For instance, if the model suggests that the pandemic would extend by February with a dramatic dip by December, then should the accelerated clinical trials of potential vaccines be top priority. Mathematical models to be useful must induce policy of behavioral change to avoid their own worst case scenarios, and this latest assessment must be seen no more no less as a tool to this end. Full stop. गाइस देखिए इसमें जो वर्ड है ना, काफ़ी सारे वर्ड इतने सारे वर्ड नहीं है जो आपके लिए न्यू है, काफ़ी सारे वर्ड है जो आपके मतलब पहले से आपको सीन बोल सकते हैं इस डिक्टेशन को, अनसीन नहीं बोल सकते। कुछ ऐसे कुछ हैं वैसे, मतलब 10% है इसमें आपको जो फर्स्ट टाइम आपको सुनाई देंगे, ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम आपको सुनाई दिए हैं। और इसकी जो फर्स्ट टाइम आपको सुनाई दिए हैं पीडीएफ में आपको पीडीएफ दे दी है मैंने, इसमें आप जो न्यू वर्ड है उसका मीनिंग देखिए प्लस आपकी आउटलाइन नोट कीजिए, ओके। और चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ इसको शेयर जरूर कीजिए हर रोज़ की डिक्टेशन को, ओके। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।